Hello friends, I am Sonali Vidhate, Assistant Professor working in Kekeva College of Food Technology. Now I am going to explain on topic operating system. First we study what is operating system. Operating system is an interface between computer and the user. Operating system are also a resource manager, the main resource in the computer hardware in the form of processor, storage, input output devices, communication devices, and the data. Some of the operating system functions are implementing the user interface, sharing hardware among users, allowing user to share data among themselves, preventing users from interfering with one another, scheduling resources among users, facilitating input and output, recovering from errors, accounting for resource usage, etc. etc. Then the there are three main objectives of operating system. First one, to hide details of hardware by creating abstraction. Second, to allocate resources to processes. And third one is provide a pleasant and effective user interface. Then move to the types of operating system. There are four types of operating system. Let us we discuss one by one. The first type of operating system is real time operating system. It is also called as RTOS. RTOS is the short form of real time operating system. It is used to control the machinery and scientific instruments and industrial system. And RTOS typically has very little user interface capability and no end user utilities, since the system will be sealed box when delivered for use. A very important part of an RTOS is managing the resources of the computer so that a particular operation execute in precisely the same amount of time every time it occurs. Then the second type of operating system is single user single task. As the name implies that this operating system is designed to manage the computer so that one user can effectively do one thing at a time. The best example of single user single task operating system is Palm OS for palm handled computer. Then move to the third type. The third type is single user multitasking. This is the type of operating system most people use on their desktop and the laptop computers today. Microsoft Windows and Apple macOS platform are both example of operating systems that will let a single user have several programs in operation at the same time. The last type is multi-user. Last type of operating system is multi-user. A multi-user operating system allows many different users to take advantages of the computer's resources simultaneously. The operating system must make sure that the requirements of the various users are balanced and that each of the programs they are using has a sufficient and separate resources so that a problem with one user doesn't affect that entire community of users. The example is Unix mainframe operating system such as MVS are the example of multi-user operating system. So in this session we discuss what is operating system, objectives of operating system, and the four types of operating system. First one is RTOS, second one is single user single tasking, third one is single user multitasking, and last one is multi-user. Thank you.